Hello, it's Lucy, and you are so welcome back to the bindery, where I've got some books to show you which are going to be going up in my Etsy shop. So this is a chance for you to have a look at them and see if you are interested in any of them and see if they give you any ideas. Some of them you may have seen in my tutorial video, but not all of them. So let's canter through them quickly as we can. So there's a couple more in my series made out of the little Observers books. This one has got a hidden binding, and it's a really thickly bound text block, which is all made out of vintage and reclaimed bits of paper. So there's a real mix of different ledgers and note papers and some squared paper in there as well. So it's really solid and chunky in the hand, and kind of pocket sized really. This one's made from the same kind of case, but this time I've done the French link binding so that you can see the stitching on the outside. And this one has end papers that are made from rice paper, which has got Da Vinci images on it. And this is an art journal, so there's a mixture of different weights of mixed media paper and watercolour paper, some of which has got marks on it already, just to break you in. There's some bits of basic collaging with dress pattern and some bits of tea dyed. So a dinky little art journal for when you're drawing and painting out and about. And I forgot to show you the end papers on these are some gorgeous animal scrapbook paper or scrapbook card, so that's a nice weight. So these three are also art journals. You may have seen them in my tutorial, so I wouldn't go on about them, but there's Imagine, Emerge and Create, and they're all finished with this kind of shabby chic blanket stitch around the edges, and they've got collaged papers. They're either French link or French link or long stitch bound, and they've all got the same mix of papers, which is some thick watercolour paper and mixed media paper, some tea dyed, there's some bits of vintage map, brown paper, some interesting packing paper. Again, so there's some sheets are pristine and ready for you, and some they're a bit broken in with some collaging or basic mark making then done already. And all the details of number of pages and stuff will be in the listings. So there's those, and there's this, I guess it's a junk journal insert really, but it's made out of a reclaimed window envelope, which is why it's got that little tag. And again, it's really heavily collaged. There's quite a few birds in it. We've got the owl on the front. Oh, there's a pigeon outside in the tree. And there's some images from magazines as well. So it's a sort of normal junk journey mixture of printables, craft paper, reclaimed ledger, magazines, bit of vellum, bit of what do you call eco dyed. So a pretty standard junk journaly mix to get you going. And finally we have Amelia Ann Keeps School, which as you can see is made from the case of a vintage book. I actually used up all the pages on this in various different projects, so it was time to use the case. So the front and back pages, boards of the book, are the original, so obviously you can see all the wear and tear. And this is another French link binding with some vintage fabric, sewn over some vintage fabric. And inside it's very simple. It is absolutely plain, really high quality bright white writing paper. And one of the joys of this binding is that it opens flat wherever you want to work, so it's a really comfortable journal to write in. So there we have it. Managed to be quite quick today. There will be some more things coming your way, but for now, that's the restock in my shop. Thank you so much for joining me, squint as I am, and see you next time. Bye for now.